in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berry County and southwestern Michigan, eastern Kalamazoo County in southwestern Michigan, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nashville to near Vicksburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. These storms produced a 76 miles per hour wind gust at the Kalamazoo Airport at 10:22 p.m. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Portage, Vicksburg, Galesburg, Nashville, Climax, Gull Lake, Fulton, Assyria, Augusta, Banfield, Dowling, Scotts, Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.